Hello, my name is Zahid and today we will talk to you about bullying. Every year, EAS Community celebrates Bullying Awareness Week to promote safe school and positive learning environment.
So, what is bullying? Bullying is when one person is intentionally hurting or harming another person.
There are 4 types of bullying: physical, verbal, emotional, and cyberbullying.
Physical bullying is when someone pushes, hits, kicks, bites, or otherwise hurt another kid's body. It can also include taking or damaging somebody's belongings.
Words are powerful. When it comes to bullying, sometimes verbal bullying can result in deeper wounds than physical bullying.
Cyberbullying is using technology to bully someone. Examples of cyberbullying include sending mean messages, posting photos or videos that make fun of someone.
Emotional bullying is not easy to see, but it hurts a lot. Examples of emotional bullying include leaving someone out on purpose, telling lies about someone, and embarrassing someone publicly.
Bullies always need audience and they never act alone.
Who are bystanders? This is a group of people who sees bullying. This group is really important and their reaction can make a big difference.
If you see that bullying is happening, be brave. Tell the bullying stop.
If you see someone being bullied, speak up and make them feel safe.
You can help the victim by being a caring friend. Simply invite the bullied kid to play with you.
Ask them, are you okay? Give them a compliment about some things they do well.
Bullying can happen to everyone. Remember, everyone has a right to be safe and no one deserves to be bullied.
If you're being bullied, there are lots of things you can do. First of all, know that you don't deserve bullying.
If you sometimes bully others, remember that your actions are hurting others.
Know that it is never okay to hurt someone else.
Bullying is unkind. Bullying hurts. Bullying is never okay. Stop bullying.
If you see bullying, speak up, be a friend.
Be a kid is against bullying.
We choose kindness. We choose acceptance.
We choose inclusion.